Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Fifth Third Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in 53.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official website for the Fifth Third Bank. Now from the home page, in order to sign up and create a new account, click on login at the top right corner and then click on register. You will then be taken into the registration page from which you can sign up to create a new account. Click on the yes button and you will be shown the various requirements that you will need to use in order to sign up. Click on the login button within this page. Once you click on the login button, you will be taken into the login portal from which you can also enter your desired credentials in order to sign up. Just choose whether you want to sign up for online banking or the commercial one and then enter your preferred user ID and your password. After clicking on the next button, you will be asked to enter your email address or your phone number. Just type in either one of those and then click on the next button and you will need to enter the verification code that has been sent within your inbox or your phone. Just enter this verification code and proceed forward, and after your identity has been verified, you will be signed up to your brand new account on Fifth Third Bank. And there you have it. That is how you can go about to create a new account on the Fifth Third Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.